Ever found yourself staring at a chart, wishing you had just one more indicator, or maybe two? Or perhaps you're tired of those pesky ads popping up right when the market gets interesting? If you're into trading or investing, chances are you've heard of TradingView. It's lauded as one of the best charting platforms out there, a go-to for millions. But with its free version offering a decent set of tools, the big question looms, is TradingView worth the money for its paid subscriptions? Let's dive in and dissect what you get when you open your wallet for TradingView, and more importantly, who truly benefits. The free version of TradingView is a fantastic starting point. You get access to basic charting tools, a good selection of indicators, watch lists, and even paper trading. For someone just dipping their toes into technical analysis or casually monitoring the markets, the free plan is more than sufficient. It allows you to explore the platform, test out basic strategies, and get a feel for how things work without any financial commitment. You can even connect with the vast TradingView community, sharing ideas and learning from others. However, as your trading journey progresses, or if you're already an active trader, you'll quickly bump into the limitations of the free plan. This is where the paid subscriptions, Essential, Plus, Premium, and even higher professional tiers, come into play. The most noticeable upgrade with a paid plan is the removal of ads. While seemingly minor, an uninterrupted charting experience can significantly improve focus, especially during volatile market hours. Beyond that, the benefits become increasingly substantial. Paid plans dramatically increase the number of indicators you can use per chart. The free plan restricts you to a mere 2, which can be incredibly limiting for any comprehensive technical analysis. Essential bumps that up to 5, Plus to 10, and Premium to a generous 25. This means you can layer on more confluence to your analysis, combining various tools like moving averages, oscillators, and volume profiles to get a much clearer picture of market dynamics. Another game changer for active traders is the increased number of charts per tab and saved chart layouts. With paid plans, you can view multiple charts simultaneously, which is invaluable for monitoring different time frames or asset classes at a glance. Imagine tracking Bitcoin on a daily, 4-hour, and 1-hour chart all on one screen. That's a level of efficiency the free plan simply can't offer. You also get more saved chart layouts, allowing you to quickly switch between different analysis setups for various instruments or strategies. For those who rely on timely notifications, the difference in alerts is stark. The free plan offers a very limited number of active alerts. Paid plans, especially Plus and Premium, provide hundreds of alerts, often including second-based alerts for incredibly precise entry and exit signals. These server-side alerts ensure you never miss a critical price level or indicator crossover, even when you're away from your screen. Then there are the advanced tools. Features like volume profile, custom timeframes, bar replay, and auto chart patterns are locked behind the paid tiers. Volume profile, for example, provides invaluable insights into where the most trading activity has occurred, helping you identify significant support and resistance zones. Bar replay is a powerful tool for backtesting strategies on historical data, allowing you to simulate market conditions and refine your approach without risking real capital. For day traders and scalpers, the second-based intervals available in Premium are a massive advantage. Being able to see price action down to the second can be crucial for identifying micro-shifts and executing trades with pinpoint accuracy in fast-moving markets. So, is TradingView worth the money? If you're a casual investor who just needs a quick glance at a few charts now and then, probably not. The free version will suffice. However, if you are serious about trading, whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or even a long-term investor who uses technical analysis extensively, then absolutely, yes. The enhanced features, ad-free experience, increased limits, and advanced tools offered by the paid subscriptions can significantly elevate your analysis, improve your efficiency, and ultimately contribute to more informed trading decisions. Many professional and even semi-professional traders consider it an essential part of their toolkit, and the annual subscriptions offer a significant discount over monthly payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.